It doesn't look too dark, it doesn't look too much, it's just perfect. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I want to share with you guys my new eyebrow routine. So lately I have been loving the natural and fluffy eyebrow look, but I didn't want to spend so much time filling in my eyebrows, so I thought of something and I decided to try my mascara. So here I pick up my mascara and I use this on my brows, and this is like filling my brows using the mascara. It creates false hair strokes and it just fill in the sparse and thin areas on my eyebrows. I repeat this a couple of times till I get my desired result. So the next step is to use a clean spoolie and just use this to brush in the product and take out the excess one. For best results, it is best to use a waterproof mascara, and this also makes your eyebrow last all day. For me to get the bushy eyebrow look, I use the mascara wand to brush my eyebrows upwards. So now the next step, I'll pick up my black pencil guys, not brown. So I'll be using my black pencil because the color of my mascara is black. So I'm applying this only at the end of my brows, and I'll be using just a little bit. Just to fill in the areas where there are no hairs and the mascara didn't cover, because if you look at my brows, it is really sparse at the tail end, but it is fuller at the beginning. Also note that I'll be following the natural shape of my eyebrows, so I'll be filling in my eyebrows following my natural eyebrow shape, so I'm not doing anything different. This makes the brows look really natural and bushy. And then pick up my clean spoolie and just brush in all the products. I'm making sure to brush my brow hairs upward. This step is optional guys. If you want, you can skip this. But I like to pick up my foundation. I will not be using a concealer. I'll use a foundation for a more natural finish and then use this to define the bottom of my eyebrows. You only need a little bit of foundation for this. I also like to pull down the foundation into my eyelid, and this makes it easier for me to blend out any harsh line. This is what my eyebrow is looking like right now after applying my mascara and black pencil. I have been loving this quick and natural eyebrow routine recently, and this is what I have been doing whenever I am in a rush or I just need something to do with my eyebrows, and this is what I do. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Also leave down your comments, share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more helpful makeup tutorials coming your way. I also love using mascara because it makes my eyebrows look thick and fuller. See you on the next one guys. Take care of yourself, love yourself, and be beautiful.